forget where you come from, and don't forget where you're going. Don't forget where you've come from, oh, your dearest and your closest friend. Don't forget where you've come from, and don't forget where you're going. Don't forget where you've come from, oh, your dearest and your closest friend.
Hi, we're in beautiful ocean shores on the grounds of the Coastal Interpretive Center, where we have lots of interesting things.
Action.
Here, we have lots of educational information about the world around us, marine life, and whales.
Action.
This is a harpoon cannon. It is a tool developed in the late 1800s. It would be mounted on the bow of the ship, where it could be easily aimed with a wide field of view. Whale harpoons, called whale irons by the crew members, were used to fasten the whale to the ship rather than kill it. These whale harpoons could penetrate the blubber and fasten the whale securely to the ship. In the early 1900s, thousands of whales were shot and killed. This muzzle-loading cannon with percussion detonator and recoil brake shot harpoons about 6 feet long with a pointed tip followed by an explosive charge. Ouch! One of the main reasons for the killing of these whales was the export of whale oil. It was rendered using the fatty oils from the whale's flesh for makers of cosmetic soaps, lamp oil, and fertilizer using the macerated bones and other waste. In the early 1900s, whalers decimated the whale population for profit. But today, it's a different story for our fine-finned friends, thanks to the U.S. Marine Mammal Protection Act and conservation efforts. Today, Grace Harbor is a beautiful haven for whales and marine mammals alike. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, check out our website, interpretivecenter.org. Bye! The ship instead of killing them. During the 1900s,